What's good, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're going to address the screen door that I've been having problems with for a while now. As you see, it's jammed stuck open, and I'm going to show you more about it when I get outside. It's actually a beautiful day today, but this is how you replace your screen door. All right, guys, I'm outside one of these beautiful days. Still a little windy. Tripod blowing all over the place. But I'm going to try to make it do what it do. Today I'm going to teach you all how to fix your screen door. It's a problem because this wind is really strong. I'm trying to get this a good shot. I really want this on a body track. Here we go. Teach you how to fix the screen door, which is a big problem. As you see, I can't get it to close. That means it's jammed down at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to take these rails off. Once I take these rails off, I'm gonna have to lift them up and reset them. And the best way to do that, get your drill, get your Phillips bit. So you gotta get in there and try to find find these screws, take the screws out so you can realign everything. Because as you see at the bottom, and I don't know if you can see, but I got a cord running, and it's running to my heat tape that's running to the water line on the outside. But I need my screen door to close proper. And I'm pinching down into this, where it was actually doing damage to my cord. So this cord is no longer no good. I'm gonna have to remove that cord and throw that cord away, or either cut the cord off. First set of screws out. So let's continue on with the journey. Get it all out, all the screws. And this happens because the wood, by the wintertime being here, the wood is swole up. So it made it difficult for the screen door to open and close. So now I have to fix the problem, but there'll be even worse problems. Y'all be patient with me. I'm trying to learn how to talk on this YouTube and try to explain to y'all the process. Yeah, it's giving me problems. Definitely doing that one. Alright. We got all these screws out. Try to get these top two out so I can readjust everything. It's kind of weird how this one, out of all of them, there we go, didn't want to come out. Yeah, you guys got to be careful. You don't want the pole to knock you out. You definitely don't want that. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pole, I'm going to set the pole. Look at me. I'm going to take the pole that I just took off the smaller piece, and I'm going to put this at the bottom so I can bring the screen door up. And that's how we're going to get the door lined up, or at least get the first couple of screws in it, so we can go ahead and get the other pole in, and then we can get a full measurement. So take that pole, I set that pole down there on the ground, and now I can take my screws, I can put my screws in there, and it's giving me my height that I need. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to do that right now anyway, but I need to get it done because it's got to get done. Screen door got caught in the wood on the deck because the deck just swole up, so the wood just swole up. And it seems like my trailer is kind of tilting, so that means that it's leaning more. And with that being said, I mean I have to get under here, jack this side of the trailer up to level it out so it can be even all the way around the trailer. You feel me? And I got all type of cats going in it, like I'm not standing out here. And they're trying to keep warm, but whatever. So I'm gonna grab me 2 or 3 of these screws, take my screen door, I'm gonna level this back out. That was my finger. Yes, Lord, that was my finger. So basically, this is how I want to lift it up now. Want to move it down, get it all lined up. The house is not level, so you already know when you have an unleveled house, how stuff play out. And don't never go the way you want it to, and always do something different. So yeah, get that first screw in there. Second screw. Third screw. We almost there. And y'all gotta excuse my camera. Wish I had a real cameraman. But I got this newfangled stuff that they got on TikTok that's supposed to follow you around. It do all right until the wind blows. Then it have you all discombobulated. It's quite all right with me. Now that portion is done. Now, you want to line this track up with the door itself. So that when you close the door, that it fastens good on this, and you get a good seal, because my doors, like I said, is broke. But I need it off the ground. So the best way to do this is take everything that you have, try to get everything as close as possible. Yes, you can take this out now, because that's in the way. And this is how you gotta do it. Move all this mess out your way. Make sure I get my keys so I don't lock myself out. And as you see, your screen door is freely moving now. It's on its free wheels. Yep. And that's my measurement. So the best way to get that cracking, you get that first screw in there, then you can undo the door. You just want it to be level. And now you can open the door. Take your key, unlock your lock, unlock the door. Now you don't have that tightness at the bottom, tearing up your house. Like I said, I got to take the stitch cord out now and remove and dispose of it, because it's history. And then we get everything in place. Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. It's good enough for me. Good enough to get it done in a couple of minutes, you know. I need my screen door to open and close. I don't need it to be jammed. I fought this the whole winter. Let's see how she works. Probably loosen the middle ones up just a hair. Let's see how that works. That's much better. I can work with that. That's perfect. Now, you take this face recognition stuff off, and I can show you exactly what I mean. I had to redo the whole screen door. I tried to give y'all a quick video of the screen door. That's the bar down there that I had to put to the side because I didn't need it. Thank y'all for watching.